Baby, I'm here. Baby, who are you? Actually,
Hello, baby. How are you? You didn't have any problem getting here, right?
no, actually. Sagar, who is she?
Uh, Sister-in-law, she's my girlfriend.
You have no girlfriend before today.
She's just become my girlfriend, sister-in-law.
What do you mean by just became?
Means I liked her before, but she said yes only now. Huh?
Wow, dear brother in law, your choice is very good.
Right, sister-in-law? Brother, how do you like my girlfriend? She's nice, but stand a little to the side. I'm standing to the side. I mean, don't stand so close to her. Stand aside. It's very hot today.
What is it bothering you? She is his girlfriend. He can stand however he wants.
Hey, I am older. He should have at least a little shame in front of us. No, huh?
Do you have any shame? In crowded market, you walk with me holding my hand. What about that?
When do I do that? And I'm older than him. He's younger. He should have some respect.
Yes, so let's do one thing. Let's send them in their room. Right? They can talk peacefully. She must be tired now. I'll go and make tea for her.
Hey, wait. Hey. You are really not feeling any shame, right? Brother, why are you hating me?
What are you doing, Sanju? You slapped him unnecessarily.
No reason? He's been sticking to her right in front of me. Did we teach him these values? And you? You're strange too? The girl has come to our house for the first time and you are directly sending her to a room with him.
Yeah, so what happened? They both can talk to each other peacefully.
They are not like little kids anymore.
Whatever he will do, why are you bothering so much?
They shouldn't be doing all this before the wedding, man.
Really? You don't used to do all these things. We were also dating each other till 7 years. Then it was okay. If you are doing it right and he is doing it wrong.
Why are you dragging me into this again and again? We are talking about him here. Hey, you both sit right here. Brother, what happened to you? What are you doing? Sister-in-law is absolutely right. I'll take her to my room. We'll sit there and I'll show her the room as well, right? She want to see the room, right? Nisha, show her the whole house. Come on, Nisha, go. Give her a tour.
Sagar, take her to your room and don't do anything.
Okay. Nisha, you are encouraging him by saying all this.
I said na they won't do anything.
Have you installed cameras inside?
No, I haven't installed. Whatever they do, why is it bothering you so much?
This is why. This is exactly why he is getting spoiled. In future, he will not listen to us.
He's 20 years old. It's first time he made a girlfriend. And you're saying he's spoiled.
Sister-in-law, just leave it. If brother doesn't want us to go to the room, then okay. I'll do one thing. I'll take her to a hotel. We'll go to a hotel. No problem. You will go to a hotel? Yes. You will disgrace our family and ruin our reputation? What if someone sees you there then?
What nonsense are you talking today? I don't understand. They both are adults. They can do whatever they want. They can go wherever they want. What is your problem?
Enough, sister-in-law. I have followed the bro code long enough, not now. Hey, are you angry? No, brother. I've been following the bro code all this time, and all I have gotten a slap after a slap.
What bro code?
Nothing. I'm his bro, so he was respecting me. That's the bro code. You know, sister-in-law, I want to tell you something. Yeah, what do you want to tell her? Nothing. You just relax, huh? You do one thing. You want to go to hotel, right? You just go ahead. I'm sending you some money on Paytm. You go. And if you don't want to go there, then just sit comfortably in your room, okay?
First you were not letting him go. Now you are asking him to go to hotel. What are you doing this? He wanted to tell me something and you're not letting him tell me. Tell me.
He doesn't want to tell anything. He's upset and angry. I'm just trying to calm him down, okay? I'm talking to him. You wait.
You just be quiet. I want to know what he wants to say. You tell me, Sagar.
Sister-in-law, this girl. Yes, we know that she's your girlfriend. We know this.
Quiet, Sanju, be quiet. I want to know what he wants to say. Till the time he won't complete what he wants to say, you won't say a single word. You tell me what is it?
Actually, sister-in-law, this girl is my girlfriend. Yes, we know that she is your girlfriend. You want to marry her. I like her and Nisha likes her too.
Sanju, I told you, na, be quiet. You tell me, what is it?
I am telling you. Sister-in-law, this girl is not my girlfriend. This girl is brother's girlfriend.
What?
Yes. Run!
Where they will run? They will run faster than me. You catch that girl and I'll catch Sanju.